say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you.
What up, chat? Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome.
But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you.
Good morning. Welcome, welcome. All right. Welcome in, welcome in.
Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your
All right.
altar. Wash away
Welcome
my
in.
shame.
Welcome in. I hope you guys are well. Happy Thursday. W's in the chat. Who's ready? Who's ready to rock and roll, man? Glory to the Father. Another day. Let's make the most of it, man. Let's make the most of it. I got my Paw Patrol wristbands in here today. We're going to rock and roll. Yeah. Welcome in, everyone. If you guys are excited to be here and ready to rock and roll, throw a W in the chat, give the stream a like. Z Gamers in the house. Z Gamers throwing W's. Got a Trades throwing W's. Yeah, Louis G's in the house. What up, Louis G? OGH. What's up, brother? What up, Ryan? Ryan Tucker in the building. What up, Flip? Good morning, Xander. Yep. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike in the building. Energy's here. Big Smoke is here. Chala's here. Zipper. No, Zyper. Zyper. Mr. Lopez. What up, Cannon? Cannon. What's up, everybody? What up, Nate G? What up, George Pope? Big LeGrand is in the house. Ayush in the building. What up, Ayush? What up, Randall? Hey, shout out to you guys in the competition. It's getting spicy. It's getting hot and heavy, man. Yeah, it's getting hot and heavy in the comp. We have close to 800 people. 800 of you guys in the free tryout right now. That's what's up. What up, Purpose? Good morning, Wags. What's up, Nathan? Good morning, guys. Good morning, DJ Scratches. PM Magnifico. What's good? What up, Adrill? Or Adrill? I don't know. It's a mystery. Babado Life. Hey, is that how you say it? Babado Life. Dropout Traders in the house. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. It is Thursday here. It is CPI day. I hope you guys are ready to rumble. The competition has begun. It's a big day here. Yeah, competition has begun. Over 800 people are currently in the open tryout, and we do have the leaderboard up. We do have the rankings. I do see who's in the top 32. I do see who's number one, and he might be number one by a long shot. Yeah. Good luck to you guys that are in the competition. We're going to get started here. Let me just pop Zoom up, and I don't want to leave these guys out. Let me just get this started, and we're going to rock and roll here. What's this? No join. New meeting. All right, cool. All right, how you guys feeling today? How was London's session? I took some sells here in pre-New York. Worked out very good. Hold on. Zoom. If you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord as well. Let me, hold on one sec, chat. Let me just get the Zoom link out. Oh, wrong one. Okay, Zoom link is out. Let's get the day started, man. I'm excited. I'm happy to be here. I'm grateful for you guys. You know, today I was just sitting there in my journal just thinking how grateful I am for, you know, you guys, you know, in a community of like-minded individuals that are after the same thing and the same common dream and the same common goal. And I'm just fired up to be here on a day-to-day basis. So W's in the chat for yourself. And we're going to get rock and rolling, man. You guys are doing awesome here. Okay, cool. Boom. We're good. Okay, we are good to go. Yeah. Perfect. What up, everyone in Zoom? All right, let me share my screen here, grab tools, and we're ready to rock. All right, welcome in again. Welcome in, everyone. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. Let me lower the music a little bit. Yeah, man, just grateful for you guys, you know, grateful to be a part of a community that's learning, that's growing together, that is, you know, just in this thing for the long haul together. You know, not many of you are just kind of in here anymore for a quick buck and a short profit, but you see the bigger picture now, right? You see the long-term vision of where we can go, where we can take this, where if you have this skill set dialed in, where you can take you and your family and your future, man. So I'm pumped up. I'm always pumped up to be around winners, and I'm just super blessed to honestly be able to be here and host this live stream with a bunch of absolute studs and studettes, man. Bunch of eight-figure traders in the house, and it takes time, but time is all we got, and we're gonna, you know, be here for each other, and we're gonna do it together, and we're gonna see this thing through, man. Right? We're gonna see it through. We're gonna 100% hit that 8-figure trader level, and I'm happy to be here and do it with y'all. So super grateful for you guys here, man, today. W's in the chat for the chat. And let's get the day started. While I'm on the topic, let me pray for you guys. Let's gather in prayer here real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. We thank you that we are together, Lord, that we are here for a common goal and a common dream. You've brought this here together at a divine point for a divine reason, Lord, and we thank you for it. We thank you for the impact that is taking place all across the world right now through TTE, Lord. We're so blessed. We're so grateful to see your hand at work. We thank you for this land, Lord. You said that you would bless the land. So I just thank you for giving it to me. I thank you for allowing me to work it. And we know that the workers are few, Lord, but the harvest is so plentiful. So, Father, I pray that whatever I say can help others work, Lord, so that they can go get their harvest and be a blessing in this world. So we thank you for gathering us. We thank you for the unity, Lord, and the power that's within here. We thank you for your spirit that dwells amongst us, and we just give you the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Praise God, man. When two or more are gathered together in my name, I am there. W. You know, it's very easy to get sidetracked as a trader. You know, you try and take, I don't have a pencil here, but if I had one pencil here, I can probably break it in half very quickly, right? But if I took a group of pencils, if I took the whole pack, you know, of 20 pencils, and if I tried to break that thing, I probably couldn't be able to do it. And that's the power of unity. That's the power of numbers and being together and really kind of sharpening each other, like the word says, and having iron sharpen iron, right? So we're always stronger together, and we're gonna make this thing happen, and we're gonna do it day by day by day by day, just like we've been doing and just like you've seen us do. So let's get it together here, squad, and let's have a good day. Let's go ahead and start the day here. Today is the 11th day of July. It is Thursday, and we've got some big stuff in the headlines here. All right, we got some big stuff in the headlines. As you can see, a lot going on here on the pound this morning, but we're not too concerned about that. We're more concerned right here with 8:30, as we can see that we got CPI coming in today. All right, so CPI coming in here today at 8:30. It should rock the markets here. So we're going to see which way they're expecting. Looks like they're expecting very similar numbers for the most part, right? Unemployment claims is also going to come in today, so I don't know if we're going to see a massive change here on this CPI, but excuse me, you know, we'll be here for it. So there should be volume either way, and we'll be there to catch it when it comes. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see what we can kind of pick out from these technicals here. If you haven't liked the stream, you already know what to do. You already know what to do, man. Come on, where's my London boys? Yeah, like the stream, and let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's begin. Let me put. All right, Trader Nick is here now. Yeah, let's put these on so I can see properly, and let's go ahead and get the day started. So let's do an analysis here. Let me lower the music a little bit more, and let's fire away here. So let's take a look at the daily here, or let's start on the weekly, and let's just do a top-down analysis and talk about what we got going on here currently at the desk. So looking at the weekly chart, right, we're in a range currently right now. We see that this candle, this previous candle had closed with no top wick on it, right? So we closed with no top wick. We're also right at this resistance level as well, and you know, last time we came up here, we pretty much moved back down towards the bottom of the range, right? Same thing, you kind of did this fake out, you know, moved back down towards the bottom of the range, and maybe, just maybe, we could see something like that happen, you know, over the next 2 or 3 weeks as well here, depending on the current weekly candle, which is right now bearish, right? Now again, the previous one did close with no top wick, therefore we may see this candle begin to drive down and not really be able to flip up, but we do have CPI coming in here today. Anything can happen. I do see that wick getting filled. I believe those are the all-time highs, and that would be insane. So you never know what can happen here today. If we do decide to move up, I do believe that wick can get filled at some point by the end of the week here. If we don't, right, if we can't really break highs at all, then no doubt we should come on back down, retest the bottom of the range, just like we've done it, you know, multiple times here. So that's what we got going on the weekly. So far, we've pushed down. Now we're beginning to push back up over the last 2 days, and we'll find that out here on the daily time frame. So as you can see, the last 2 or 3 days have been pumping up. Right, so last two or three days have been pumping up. We did create support, and now we're kind of just in this range here. So no bottom wicks, man. No bottom wicks on this candle here, and no bottom wick on this candle here. It is, you know, New York session. There's 9 hours and 39 minutes left on this current daily candle. We've just about filled the wick. We still can move up for sure, right? You know, a lot of stuff can happen here at 8:30 today, so we can still move up and go higher, but all in all, we do have the top of the range here. We do have the wick that is being filled right here, and if we can find some sort of bearish confirmations on the lower time frame, then we can anticipate this candle potentially moving down here today, and seeing that weekly candle begin to move back down as well. And this is what the daily would basically look like, right? Something like this. Closure below the range, and if that happens, then we can look to trade, you know, in this other range down towards like 23.30 there. So we'll see. I am pretty bullish based off of the daily. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour candles did close bearish on the last candle. If you notice, we did break the highs here and didn't do anything, right? This is the wick that we're talking about there on the daily time frame. We did break the highs on the 4 hour. We didn't do much, but this 4 hour candle still has almost 2 hours left in it. Right, so what can we anticipate this 4 hour candle doing by the time 9 a.m. comes around here in 1 hour and 37 minutes. Well, if we break the low, then there's a very high chance that we should continue down, grabbing the pack and now driving down towards support. As CPI comes out, you have that pack runner right there, and price moves down, retest resistance. So that's a vision for where this potential 4-hour candle can go between now and 9 a.m. Eastern. So or we end up re-breaking the highs. You should fill that wick, and then we could begin to make our way up. Let's go ahead and look at the lower time frames to find the ranges, find the clues, the details that we're going to need to look to take advantage of this 4-hour candle here. So looking at the 1 hour, we have a pretty simple range now. You've got a support here, you have resistance here, and this is it. You know, it's making it easy on us here. So you don't have much going on in this range. I believe it is about a 40 pip range. Let's take a look at the 30 minute creating some sort of support possibly. If that can happen, that'd be great. This is where I took my sells earlier, coming down, closed partials at this 15-minute support, and that was pretty much all we did. You know, we didn't go any further than that. So we'll see what happens. If we create support here, though, we may range in this area from 84 to 82 until CPI comes out, and then after that, that's where you probably have the big breakout. So this is what I got for now. Potential support being formed here. So gonna hold it down on this. Yeah, right here. So 2382 is going to be potential sells below. We're going to need closures though, and then 2384 is going to be pretty good for buys there. So you should run up and fill that wick if you do break this previous high over here. It's about a 21 pip range. I think there's another support right here, or I'm sorry, resistance. Yeah, we may have to. Yeah, I may have to use that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use 85 here. I want to make my range a little bigger anyway. I don't want to be tempted to take positions before CPI here today, because most likely you're not going to get too much to happen, right? Something already went down here in London and then pre-New York a little bit, so we may range now a bit. So yeah, so buys above 85 here, and then sells below 82. That's what I'm going to be looking for today. And by the way, all of this is going to get destroyed at 8:30, so we'll do a fresh top-down analysis come 8:30 and take a look at things from there as well. Cool? Just got to wait today. Just got to wait. Big news coming in. Yeah. What up, Billy O'Neill? Good morning. Good morning. Big sells today. Ooh. Should I say hallelujah or yabba dabba doo when I win trades? Hallelujah. New leader incoming after CPI. Chat, if you're not in the competition, what the heck are you doing? I've said it like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, probably 25 times at this point. The link is out. There's 800 other people who heard me say it 25 times. They're in already. So if you want to get in, sign up, get your account, start trading as of today. Put that 50% discount in your back pocket for whenever you want to use it later on any challenge, and let's get working, man. Someone's walking away with a 200K account. Someone's walking away. Who's it going to be? Yo, what up, Traders X? Good morning, man. Good morning. How do you approach the markets? I'm sorry. How do you approach your trades after the news? Do you look at certain structure, continue? Yeah, same way I would approach it. Same exact way I approach it without news. You know, I'm always just looking for the next best A+ setup that lines up with the playbook. You know, if the playbook position shows up, then I'll be there to take it. If not, then typically I'll just let things run and just watch price and admire the movement. Yeah, price action will always give you those clues as to where news will go, and then vice versa. So they like bounce off of each other. I'll be honest, I don't know much about news. I don't study fundamentals too much at all. I'm big into price action. So I understand that price action will give you everything you need. And in the famous words of Gotta Trade, they'll continue to ring through this live stream, is that gold's going to do what gold wants to do. We just got to do what we're supposed to do, and when those two things line up, boom, we take our trades. If not, we sit there and we admire price and just have fun watching. Yeah, the 1 hour is very clean too, below 79 here. Yeah, I'm not even gonna be taking any trades off like this time frame here, so I'm just gonna adjust everything, and I'm gonna keep my my analysis or my markups based off of the 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, simple. This is probably going to be our range for a bit. But super clean, super clean move down to 2370 here. And then as for buys, right, we take a look at the daily buys. I think, you know, you're good to like 2391. 2391. So we don't have too much distance on the buys here. You know, the daily targets have kind of been tapped. It's about a 60 pip range or so. Price is much cleaner on the way down. Much cleaner. Look at that 4 hour. Look at that 4 hour clean range. You start driving down, you get this 4 hour here to close below. You can continue running here to like 57 today. Yeah. Anyway, what's good, chat? How y'all feeling, man? Good morning, Jamil. Is the leaderboard up, or how much is the leaderboard up? I'm not sure what you mean. Like, how much is the leader? Where's the leaderboard? Check your email. Top One sent an email out with everything. I'll show you guys the runners up real quick. All right, so check your emails. You should have gotten an email here from Top One. Every day they're gonna announce where everyone stands. These are the traders that are leading the pack and that are on track to earn their spot in the top 32 right here. So if you see your name on here, congratulations, because you guys currently, as of last night, are in the top 32. But look, this is a game where the top guy can fall out, the bottom guy can come in, and no one is out at any point until it's over. No one's out until the fat lady sings. Right? So check your emails. You'll get these every day. Yeah, and by the way, use TTE 50 off. So when you guys want to get your 50% off challenges, use this code right here, TTE 50 off. This is going to be a one-time code, right? So don't give it to anybody, otherwise they're going to take your 50%. Plus you'll get 25% bonus capital. So yeah, congratulations to those who are in the 32 right now. But there's a lot of game to play here. What up, Buzz Blab? DT Gamer in the house. Let's go. Gang, the winner gets a life-changing account, man. Seriously, like 200,000. And then 100,000 as well. So the top two winners are really going to get big accounts, and the 3 and 4 are going to get nice 25K accounts. But man, that number 1 seed is really going to be chilling. Yo, I think 800 something people now are signed up. 800 and something. I forget how much, but 809 or something. W. Yeah, pretty fire email. Pretty fire email. Shout out to Bryson at top one, man. Okay, cool, cool, cool. How do I get the time instead of price on TradingView? What do you mean? Down on the bottom, you mean? Down here? Do I sometimes take trades off the 15-minute? I do. I do. Yeah, like this, yeah, actually the 15 minutes been pretty well used here all month. Look at this. Look at that, 15, 15, 15, 15, man. It's been almost all month here. What's today's date? 7/11. 7/11? Thank you, come again, $4.99. Oh, oops, wrong. $7.11. What was it again? Breakout onion. Onion. That was 19. All right. Can you check charts for stream for XAUUSD, please? Oh man. Yeah, let's check charts for stream. Charts for stream. Yeah, I think I left you guys hanging on charts for stream the last couple days. I am very sorry. Very sorry. I think we brought it. Didn't we bring it up like every day to him? Like, yeah, let's check it out. Just like we're doing right now. And then I just forgot to do it. Wow. All right, let's see. Charts for stream. Okay, let's take a look here. I think we got a bunch of trades here. Perfect. So let's stick to, wow, there's a lot of let's stick to today's group here. The fade is not fading for White Shark here. Let's take a look, White Shark. 11:30, the fade. Okay, 4-hour closure on the 15-minute because the onion at the 15. Second bearish candle closed without a bottom wick, also no volume, hence closed position. Yeah, so with the fade, you're definitely going to need volume on your side. So you really, really want a volume on your side. And more so higher time frame targets tapped, right? Remember yesterday where I was saying, you know, hey, look, we may be early today, right? And we were early yesterday, right? I was like, we may be early on this trade because there was still like this much distance to go, right? Let's say you had candles here and we were getting ready to like take the fade from here, right? On the break of the low, we still had distance to go on the daily. So I understand that too, right? Just knowing that now is the learning time, right? So yesterday we learned a valuable lesson. Who caught on to it? Who caught it? Right? There was a valuable lesson there to be learned yesterday. I want to know who caught it, right? Because I had a feeling we could be early on that first trade, and this was the reason why. And I think that's something that we can take into our arsenal now, right? The fact that, hey, if the bigger, higher time frame target truly hasn't been tapped yet, you know, let's lay low on that impulse entry, because what that did also was that kind of shifted the bias a little bit to really looking for these sells for the majority of the day. Right now, the sells did play out, but not before beautiful buys played out at 9:45. That maybe if my bias had been corrected a little bit, I could have taken advantage of yesterday, right? So keep this in mind as we move forward and trade the fade, is that if there's still distance to go, don't be too aggressive on it, right? Don't get too aggressive, because then at that point you're like literally trying to call the top, right? So let's not do that. But the cool part about it is I'm open to making mistakes. I'm open to making errors and learning between now and basically January next year, right? January next year is when I want to hold myself accountable to really understanding this move and not making too many mistakes on it. But from now till then, I'm open to mistakes. I'm open to errors and figuring out how to dial it in a little bit better. So yeah, same thing here. No volume too, by the way. So you're gonna need volume when it comes to the fade. But good job, White Shark. Way to swing the bat at it. Let's see here. We got another fade position. Okay, so has not created a bottom wick. Daily has not created a bottom wick. Prior 4-hour close with no top wick. Okay, see the signs. You see the clues that he's putting together. You want to be like a detective out here, right? Like daily has created no bottom wick. 4-hour close with no top wick, right? 7 straight bullish candles, right? 30-minute with 30-minute with low volume small candles. Exhausted candles, right? Entry price made a wick, rejected from my zone. It broke its own low. There you go. Lovely. Lovely. You see how he's building a case? This is what we do. We build a case, right? We want to look for these clues. So when you guys say, hey, what are the confluences? What are the confirmations, that go into a nice trade position? It's about really using your EYES indicator and taking a look at what candles are showing you. Notice how everything he or she has wrote here has to do with what? Candles. Candlesticks. What does it say here? 7 straight bullish what? Candles, right? Small candle. Bottom wick on the candle. No top wick on the candle, right? So once you understand how to read candles, the game is easy at that point. So yeah, great job here. Beautiful trade. Oh wow, your name's like Samartha too? Yeah, he or she, I don't even know. Good job though. Fake out sells. Nice, beautiful. Gold. Yep, perfect. Entry on the break of the low. Current candle highs. Very nice, very nice. This was London session. Cool. Cool. Let's see. All right, this is PM Magnifico. Close half on W, other half at BE. Okay, cool. So took buys here. All right, pumped up, targeting that wick. Took half here and lovely. The rest of it got tapped at break even. Okay, cool. Awesome. Very good look. Very good look, PM Magnifico. Good job. Let's see this. Onion play. Price was pushing bullish since Asian. Okay, we've had 6 bullish candles in a row. There you go. Pullback, 4-hour open. No top wick. There you go. Same as the other play. Came in. Yep, perfect. Yeah, 4-hour close with no top wick. Huh? Which candle was that on? Why don't I see the no top wick candle here? Is it here? Yeah, good trade. Good trade. Was this an onion or was this a fade? This looks more like a fade, right? Because the onion, this candle would have to be there would have to be a resistance there. So maybe a fade more so. Yeah, good job. Good job in knowing the direction of the next 30-45 minutes, right? That's all we're here to do. Is really just understand, hey, where can we anticipate direction going in the next couple minutes? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here. So we got gold 15-minute, took the fade, 4-hour bull, daily bull, previous 4-hour close. Okay, support tapped, lovely. Close 90%. Okay, energy. Is this energy? Yeah, energy. All right. Okay, the fade. Fade was fading. Isn't it weird when we say the fade when it's up? It's like weird. Yeah, nice job, energy. Way to go. I see a lot of you guys are really catching on to this move now, which is awesome. Awesome. All right, let's see here. This is going to be Traders X. All right. I saw this wick produced, but looked to me as if it was an exhaustion wick. Okay, and the candle closed within the range, so was very skeptical on taking buys. I do not see rejections to the downside, but didn't close below the orange range. Okay, we also closed above. Would this have been a valid buy? Okay, so taking a buy from here, right? I would have waited. I would have waited just like you did. Yeah. Yeah, so one of the things I'm looking into is like once we come up, right, and we break above, now that we're above, do we really need to take this resistance that serious? Because that's just the high, right, for the break and retest for price to keep going up. So you guys have seen me take a few trades now, and there was maybe 1 or 2 times where John was like, hey, you don't mind that resistance? And I said no, right, because of this reason here. So something to chew on, something to continue looking at, where once you actually break above, you come down, you create support. This may not have to be taken as serious anymore, because that's your break, retest, and then from there it should begin to push up. So yeah, but I think the safer play, bro, is to wait on that closure and then just figure this out along the way, right? Just EYES, man. Figure it out along the way, study it, see when price runs on you versus when it doesn't, and dial that in. But yeah, I think for now I would just wait on that closure above here and then take my buys on the next candle. Yeah. I see my name in the top 20. Oh, yo, PM Magnifico. Let's go. Holy. That's not surprising. That's not surprising. All right, let's see here. Mr. BTC. Okay. Yeah, man, these are great. Okay, cool. So this is these were activated break of the pre. Okay, you got into buys here. I see. Let's take a look. So got into buys. Be at this level. Would have you have taken this? What are you looking at the charts? Okay, yeah. So this is a great example here of the fade, right? So you've tapped into target, right? We already know that this, just because we're all over gold and we know what's good, like we know that this is that strong daily wick area, right? We know that. We know it's a very strong area on the 4 hour as well. Aggressive move down here on the 1 hour. Right, tapping into 1 hour targets, tapping into 4 hour targets, tapping into daily targets. This is where you want to jump on the fade, right? So wherever, once this candle here makes a top wick, it's going to move down, right? And it should push through, right? But if it doesn't and it starts pulling back, like you see this one doing right here, right? Once it breaks its own high, that's your entry. That's your entry. And you're looking to move into this area here and then potentially even higher. So yes, I would have taken that. That looks like a great trade, and you had a great read on the market there. And you keep your stops in this situation below the lows, right? So either below this low here to be safe, or once this candle fails to break that low, you can leave your stops there. These are a little bit more aggressive. This is a little bit more conservative. Conservative is always a little bit better too when you're going against the big volume move like that. Just a tip. As you guys have seen me get stopped out on basically like one pip, you know, a few times there. So yeah. Tradeaholic. Let's see. All right. So we got 1 hour close below. Perfect. Clean traffic to the left. Beautiful. Created top wick. Broke the previous hour lows. All right. Yep. Lovely. Still in this? Still in, but my vision of the fade to be okay, yeah, be before news. Yeah, that looks good, brother. That's looking good. Yeah, I'm still I closed on one account. I have it open on another account still. So we'll see. I'm gonna hold this account. It is what it is, this account. I'm gonna hold this for CPI here today. Yeah, great job. I have the same vision as you. Same, I think I have a little bit of a earlier entry, but yeah, great job. Great job. What else we got? What else we got? Sorry, I forgot to write my logic. This is the post stream sales I took also. Okay, I guess just a bit early. 15-minute stop loss, got tapped by 3 pips and then drove to TP. How to avoid getting tapped earlier on these entries? Yeah, that's it. Just keep a more conservative stop, I guess, if you can. Like I see some wicks over here. Try and use things to the left to help you out in this, right? So yeah, it's unfortunate. It happens sometimes. It's part of the game. You guys have seen it happen to me. Yeah, it happens. So sometimes there is no way to avoid it, bro. Sometimes there just is no way. But yeah, this is a beautiful move. I took this move here yesterday too. My entry was right here though on this seller play. Yeah, my entry was, did we have that one marked up yet? I think we do. Yeah, my entry was sitting right there on the break of that low. So this trade, last couple trades, I've held full for the most part till where I really wanted to get it to. So that's been a plus. There's been a couple extra BEs in the process of that, which is all fine and dandy. But you know, just getting more confident in holding positions longer, especially around high volume times, and just enjoying the process, man. Just enjoying the process. You could always get better, right? There's always room for growth. Always room for growth. Yeah, so that was that. Is there any more here? Let's take a look. Took a fade. So this fade happened a little bit after the stream yesterday. Some of you guys took it as well. This was a money position too. That was the volume we were waiting for all day, right? So let's talk about yesterday, because yesterday we got off to a good start. We seen this candle close with no top wick. So we began to anticipate the fade from there, right? We let this candle close bullish. This guy ended up closing, or this is where we were in our trade, right? So we ended up getting in our position right here. And really we were looking for one thing, right? The current 4-hour candle was all the way up here like this, right? And we were just expecting that candle to pretty much within the next 45, or I'm sorry, this was taken at 8:45. So within the next like 15 minutes, we were expecting that same candle to look something like this, right? And this move right here was our sell. This move right here was this move right here, this red candle. And then the idea there, and this is where it comes into play when you put candles together, right? When you look at higher time frames and correlate them with lower time frames, right? Because now that this candle pulls back, now the next one needs to make a bottom wick, right? And at yesterday we were expecting this bottom wick to come down towards 74. It did come down, but it only came down here. I think we needed about 10 more pips, 12 more pips to get to target, but it didn't get there, right? So we just hit break even on that trade. And then look, the 4-hour began to move up, right? Just as anticipated. And that's the beauty of when you understand what higher time frames are doing, how to correlate them on the lower time frame candles with like 15-minute, 30-minute candles, and be able to let your moves play out with a logic behind it, right? Logic is behind everything here. So, but then a little bit later, after we tapped into these targets, 4-hour targets were tapped, daily targets were tapped, which was the main thing. Now the fade was ready to go. So that's where I took my entry right there, and yeah, closed up some partials here, and the rest got hit. So that was a beautiful, beautiful trade. That was the trade we were looking for the whole session there. But yeah, good trade. You guys understand that whole 4-hour concept, right? We got exactly what we wanted. This was your 4-hour pullback. This was your new 4-hour bottom wick, and then the 4-hour started to move up. Yeah. Can you explain the trade taken before the live stream? Yes. So the trade taken before the live stream, that was at 6:30 a.m. Let's go to 6:30 here. So right here. So you had this candle now right here. This candle 6 a.m. You have high volume coming in. You have your 1-hour candle looking like it's going to fade out, right? You see how this running into resistance. So anytime you're really taking advantage of the fade, what you're doing is you're anticipating the fake out as well. So understanding that no top wick on this candle, 4-hour candle, you know, is looking bearish as well, trying to snipe the top of it. And that's where I took my entry. So I took the entry right here on this candle, on the break of the lows, somewhere around here, and then closed up partials at this 15-minute support right here. And that was the trade for me. The rest of it got hit at break even, but I still do have it on my other account open here. So my stops are sitting above the highs here, and that's what I got going on. Yeah, entry sitting right here, right about there, and that's my trade. Yeah, it was a good trade. And then yesterday, I also took another trade yesterday, which was absolutely money. Textbook position here. Where was it? That was, we had a breakout. Where was that? Let me pull it up here. This trade right here. Absolute. Oh yeah, that was like the celery play. So it looked like a celery. It also looked like a 30-minute breakout. Yeah, that was the cool part about it. It had a celery and a breakout a part of it. So that was that first trade I showed you guys. Yanosh in the house. What up, YOLO trader? YOLO. Energy. YOLO's here. Yeah, I really wanted those sells all day yesterday, man. Same. John Stu gonna come in here. Oh, look at this. We're pushing here. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, if you can continue moving down on the 1 hour, close below, this should get ripping here. Yeah, AB Mike, yeah, that's true. Yeah, the breakout is the most common one, right? So that's where things can get fake out-ish. What up, Scott? Good morning. Nice little push here. Nice push pre-New York. So we got NY Open coming in here in about just a few minutes. You've got support here as well. So a lot of wicks in this area. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we got CPI coming in. I'm going to hold this position here for CPI today and see if it actually runs down. This on a top step. This on a top step account. So we'll see if we can like max out the daily profit here. Since the daily and weekly are bullish bias, would there be a high likelihood of a potential fake out? There could be. At 79, yeah, there could be pre CPI. Yep. The one thing about it is that these kind of have tapped target in a way. Like daily and weekly is kind of like no wick and right in this zone here. So, but anything can happen here for sure. So I probably wouldn't touch this pre-CPI at NY Open, although there may be volume to come in. It's just not my move to take pre-CPI. Should we buy at support? It's always best to buy at support, but not at a support level. A support. Levels don't mean anything unless they're respected, and we only know that they're being respected is if we get candle closures. And if you get a candle closure, that means you actually form a support. So I wouldn't take a buy right here just at a support level. I would wait for a new support to form in that area, and then I would go ahead and take the buy like that. Because we don't know if this candle here, until we get closures, we have no idea, right? This is very bearish right now. So just because we're at a support level doesn't necessarily mean that we have to stop here, right? We don't have to. We can actually continue driving down. So I don't want to just take a buy once we get to the level, because this can always happen here. But once we get an actual bullish closure, now you have much more of a confirmation that price can move up. Boom. And you have pretty much valid stops, right, underneath the wicks here. What if CPI maxes out the daily loss, or you know it won't hurt? Yeah, I don't care. It's fine. It's a risk I'm willing to take. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Scott, how you doing, bro? I'm running to my Top Step account. Let's go, Louis G. Why not? All right. The fade. Hey, for those of you guys who have not seen the new playbook video, go check out the new playbook video. We dropped that about 2 weeks ago. So you guys can go check it out, learn from it, enjoy it, take good notes, watch it a few times. It's very in-depth here, man. Very in-depth. Yeah, this is the video here.
Own a steak and shake.
Own a steak and shake. Own a steak and shake. All right. Very, very in-depth. This talks about all the playbook setups. We're also going to be doing a webinar on the 27th that registration's open for. We're not going to talk too much about the playbook. For that, you can just come to this video. This is a 43-minute video that you can take a look at and learn from. We're not going to talk too much about the playbook. I mean, we are going to talk about the playbook, but we're not going to talk about the playbook in this manner. We're going to be reviewing and going through details and certain things that I would do on my own during a section of that webinar. So, but if you do want to learn more about the playbook and the style of trading that I do, just come right here. It's a free video, Playbook 2.0. It will literally give you a deep dive into my mindset and how I go about business here on the charts. The playbook. Yeah, I cannot wait for the webinar though. We're going to be really taking a deep dive into the fade. We're going to be really taking a deep dive into some of my studies based on the 4-hour time frame and the lower time frames, and really some of the major, I would say, lessons and things that I learned that really kind of drastically changed the trading here, right? Not really the results as much. Notice how we're still getting the same results, but the amount of trades, right? The amount of trades is clearly going up and increasing, and that has a lot to do with tightening up our bias on the 4-hour time frame, getting a really strong idea of where we can anticipate price going within the next hour to two, and basing trades off of that, and literally getting in there and, you know, taking advantage of almost every opportunity that gold provides, right? That lines up for us. So yeah, we're going to talk all about that in the webinar. It's going to be a 2-day webinar. It's probably going to be about 2.5 hours each day. So total of like 5 hours over the course of 2 days. It's going to be good. We're going to have a lot of newbies, some elite members come up and share some stuff with you guys as well. And it's going to be a good time. Yeah, webinar is gonna be sick. I've been prepping for it now, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. We're gonna talk a lot about our formula as well, of like A+ setups and conditions, and you know how we determine edge and how we let that edge determine size. And we're gonna be talking a lot, man. I'm gonna really kind of take that time to give you guys a lot of what I've been learning from a very well-off trader, and what he's been teaching me about. And we don't even have the same style of trading, but we're both trading, right? So there's a lot to share. Raja trading news. Okay. We're gonna get real, man. We're gonna get a little bit more real. You know how we do it on the boot camps and on the more tight-knit group calls that we do, right? We're gonna get pretty real on this call. How long is the tryout? It's gonna be till next week, next Monday. C Melly in the house. What up, C Melly? All right. When is the webinar? The webinar is going to be on July 27th. July 27th. The webinar will also be recorded. So if you guys can't like make it during the actual time of the webinar, or if you can only stay for an hour or whatever the case is, everything will be recorded. You guys will get those recordings sent to your email, you know, right after the boot camp is finished downloading and loading and all that good stuff. If you have, or if I have, a $10 live account with 1 to 2,000 leverage, what is the max lot I can open? Damn, I don't know, man. That's how you do some math right there. Candlestick reading, etc. at the webinar? Yes, very heavy. We're going to talk a lot about candlesticks. I truly believe when you learn how to read candles, you don't need anything else. It's okay if you use other things. They can help you. Notice I have 0 indicators, 0 help, 0 assistance outside of these candlesticks right here and my own ranges that I create for myself, right? So just understanding candlesticks and being able to communicate with them has absolutely revolutionized the way I trade, the way I see the markets, and my overall profitability in the markets. Once you have that dialed in, it's just a matter of time before the profits really start rolling in and you start getting, you know, a really good hang of this thing and good read on price on a day-to-day basis. Price does the same thing every day, pretty much. What's good? I just text you what's good, brother. I just text you the good word. What time is the webinar? The webinar is going to take place at NY Open, so right around this time on the 27th. Yeah, it's gonna be a Saturday and Sunday. We're not gonna need to take a break off of the stream or anything like that. What's up, Robert Nelson? I hope you have a great day too, man. Chola, so $10 account, so 1 to 2,000 leverage. That's insane, by the way. That reminds me of like 2020, 2019. Damn. Yeah, man. Damn, you planning on taking that 10 to what? Man's about to risk it all on CPI. Put the whole boat in, Chola. The whole 10. Yes, I have opened a gamble account. Let's go. Let's go, Chala. Let's go. I'll probably miss the first hour, but I can rewatch it. Yeah, you'll be able to rewatch it. Yup, you'll be able to have it, and it'll be good to save on your desktop so you can continue watching it and stuff. You guys will get an email the night before with the link and all that good stuff as well. Little welcome email, and yeah. Damn, you could open a 10 lot, but then if you open a 10 lot, I mean, what are the spreads looking like? I would just pick a direction now and then open it up. You might owe your broker some money though. You may owe your broker some money. Your broker may owe you some money. I don't know, man, after this one. Oh, 0.8 lots. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited to see you guys on the webinar, man. I love the webinars because they're like little more like inner circle. That's like where the family's at, you know what I mean? So it's fun to be able to pour into you guys there and really kind of share organized teaching, right? This teaching that you get on the live stream is not organized. It's all over the place. It's but question by question, you know what I mean? But, you know, I love to sit down and organize some teaching and education, and that's where some good stuff happens. Am I in sales before CPI? I am. I'm in sales on like Chala said, a little gamble account. The webinar is $70. $70. The link, I think if you just hit exclamation point webinar, maybe it should be there. Right? Webinar, I think. Oh, wow. Time trap? I'll have to take a look at it. Time trap. Sells? Nah. Well, hey, it's 50-50. That's what a gamble is. A gamble's 50-50. It's either going up or down. Maybe I'll do one buy and one sell on these accounts. I got 2 of them. ChatGPT says 0.5. Ask ChatGPT which direction gold will go for CPI. Imagine we had the indicator the whole time. ChatGPT. Imagine ChatGPT has like a 100% win rate. Holy. Raja's casino's open. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, my God. Oh, it looks like he has similar ranges, not the same exact ranges. Similar.
Have you made any video on your trading journey that can inspire us, bro? Yeah, go through my YouTube. How many likes for CPI stream? I'm still gonna do CPI stream. I'm feeling good today.
Feeling good.
So I'll do CPI. No problem. Yeah. We'll go ahead and do CPI today.
CPI. All right, casino's open. How long does the webinar take each day? It's gonna probably run for 2 to 2.5 hours. I'll try and get you guys out of there within 2.5 hours max. Just so you could block that out. I would block out 2.5. We might be done anywhere in between 2 and 2.5. Good morning, Green. What's up, brother? Green in the house. The competition has already begun. We started yesterday, so you guys are more than welcome to get started now. Yeah, you guys have until Monday of next week to put numbers on the board. And look, just because you start behind people doesn't necessarily make you behind, right? Remember, trading is a game where people will go up, but they will lose it, right? Most traders know how to make money. They just can't keep it. So just because you start a little bit later, that actually may help you out at the end of the day. Yeah, remember, everything is here to help you. Everything in life happens for you, not to you. Green, how you doing, brother? Good to see you here, man. Hey, chat, it's good to have a high school buddy, right? A friend who I truly know, who I truly, have a relationship with, and here with me every day on the live streams, man. It makes me feel comfortable, man. You know what I mean? Thanks, Green. That's why I'm always looking for Green. Where's Green? Where's Green? You always hear me say, where's Green? Wow. Appreciate you taking this ride here with me, Green. You're a real one. To the top we go, my friend. I did go on a roll yesterday, Lewis. Yeah. Yeah, man. Green's blushing. Nah, seriously. How many guys have real, like, you guys are my friends, you know what I mean? But me and Green, like, we actually hang out together. We actually, went to school together, did a lot of stuff together, right? We're very, very tight friends. So how many of you guys have good friends along with you on this trading journey? You may not have that many, but maybe you have one or two. And I think it's the coolest thing in the world, right? As high school friends, to be chasing a dream together and going after the big lifestyle, at the end of the day, where everybody else is settling in and, packing it up, and they're going to talk about the good old days, right? And we're just going to keep marching forward and making our days good, right? And we're not going to sit there and talk about the good old days, because the best is always yet to come around here. You feel me? My mentor told me early on, Nick, you read all those books, you put in all the work, you dream big, you keep your vision clear, you don't grow weary in well-doing, you expect the harvest. He said, one day when everyone else's party stops, yours is just going to be beginning, my friend. And I said, I could sell out to that. I could sell out the next decade to that idea right there. And you know what? Just as he always is, he was right. He was right. Let's go. I got 4 real ones. Let's get it. What up, Xander? By the way, shout out to George VDM. Some of you guys haven't seen him a bit. It's because he's on vacation, traveling, having a good time with his family. I think he said he's with family he hasn't seen for like 8 years now. So if you guys are wondering where George is, he is on a nice family trip right now. I think he's there for like another 2 weeks. The seminar will be recorded? Yes. Yeah, if you're not unable to make it or make it full, it's okay. We'll as long as you sign up and put your email in, you'll get everyone gets the email. So as long as you signed up and registered, you'll get an email with the recordings. You guys are my only. Hey, Michael Cook, man, you're family, brother. You're family. By the way, welcome all the new people. Welcome to this family. You know, this community. It's more than just a bunch of people trading. Like, you know, I'm all in, gang. You know what I mean? Like, I'm dedicating time because I believe in you guys. I believe in the power of this live stream, that it can go out and impact people and, you know, help traders get better at doing what we need to do. So this is a family, man. It's a community. It's much deeper than a bunch of random people on YouTube. You'll see the same names here day in and day out, and we're gonna enjoy life together, you know, different trips and have some fun and do some good stuff. Yeah, we had a big podcast recently with Calvin, so I think a lot of you guys recently have come through from Calvin's podcast, the Forex Beginner Podcast. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I've had 4 Nicks request me on Discord. Sounds about right. Yeah, nah, honestly, I was just in my feels this morning, man. While I was writing my journal down, I'm like, yo, I am grateful for this community. I'm grateful that, you know, people are learning, people are growing. I mean, that's the idea. That's the sole purpose of this stream, right? I could easily do this stuff just here by myself, but you know, I have such a passion for people and such a heart for other people, and I want to see you guys win, man. I know I don't know you. I know I don't have face-to-face conversations with you like that, but I believe in you. You know, I understand that if you're here and if you're committed, that you've got a dream and you got a goal, and I'm all in to run with those type of people who have dreams and have goals, and really do whatever I can to support that idea and help you guys along the journey. Fourth live stream I watch. Hey, nice. Welcome. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, hit the sub and officially become a TTE Familia. Yeah, I'll never DM you first. Maybe I will. I don't know. What up, Rob Trades? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Yeah, TT family goes hard too, right? Right now we can blow up Raja's chat right now, but we're not going to do all that. Let's let him focus on CPI here. Hey man, yeah, there's more than enough to go around, right? There's more than enough for all of us to eat. But I really do believe in y'all, and you know, I know not everyone's gonna hear, right? There's an 80-20 rule in everything, unfortunately, and I know that, you know, the Bible says be very, very careful with how you hear, right? A lot of times wisdom is not always taught, it's caught. And it's picked up in the little moments where most people just may not even be paying attention. Most people, it just flies over their head. And I remember I used to be in a room full of entrepreneurs, and the speaker would be up there, and he would say things, and I'd be like, boom, like it would hit me like a ton of bricks. And I'd look around, and I'd be like, yo, did anybody else just hear that gem dropped? You know, and I don't know, man. So I truly believe that wisdom is caught, not always necessarily taught. And you know, the word says, be careful how we hear, right? If you guys study the word and you know the word, you know that, you know, the word is like seed, right? It's scattered, and unless the ground is moist, right, and good for growing, the seed will never get a chance to live and do its thing. So that's why we try to prepare your mind to understand, to agree with some of these things that we say that may actually be challenging for you to think about, like they were for me early on. But you can truly do anything, man. Truly do anything, as long as you put your mind to it and believe and follow a clean-cut path that has worked for others in the past. Trading news? Who's trading news? Oh. Holy. You can only risk 4 lots in the 100K? Yeah. Everyone has the same exact rules. Any tips on hiding from the boss so I can trade in peace? Yeah, I mean, I would always just do the bathroom thing. Yo, where'd Nick go? Tell the boss, you know, you ate some really bad Chinese food the night before, and your stomach's all upset, and you really want to go home, but you don't want to do that because you're committed to the company, right? So you just want to take a bathroom break and feel a little bit better, and yeah, man, that's what I would do. When you hear the boss coming over, be like, oh, I'll be right out there, boss. CPI's coming in about 2 minutes. Like, I really should be going home right now, but I'm committed, man. I'm committed to the company. Bathroom breaks, the New York session. He'll be like, wow, what a guy. What a guy. Hey, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, though, just think of that concept that you're hiding from the boss. Don't you guys want to be free of that? Right? Don't you want to look yourself in the mirror and say, that's the boss. That's the big boss right there. And stop hiding from another man. Men, gentlemen, some of your wives are hiding from another man on a daily basis. Doesn't that get you fired up? That would piss me off. That would piss me off, and it did piss me off. Right? And that's why I got my wife free. Gentlemen, let's get some hunger, man. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Right? Your wife's hiding. Yeah, we won't go. We won't go any further. We won't go any further. Nothing like having a day job to add to the streams. There you go. All right, news coming in 5 minutes here. Get back on topic, Nick. Let it fuel you, man. Let it develop a hunger in you. Some people, they just ain't mad enough. I was mad. When I had a job, I was mad. I played mad. Good morning, Diego. Diogo. Is that, wait, how do you say your name? Diogo? Diego? Diojo? The dojo. Pull up to the dojo. All right, 3 minutes here. Should we put on Raja Banks?
How did you meet Chris for first time? Why is he admin? He is awesome. So Chris.
Oh, hold on. We got to go.
Guys, listen. I'm going to be in London on the 27th July. Here's the link.
Ooh, London.
Go purchase your ticket. I got 4 tickets
like
left.
Diego with an O. So Diogo.
4 tickets are remaining.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm surprised. 4 tickets
Yo,
left.
this
So
is where
221 so far.
this is where the
4 to
rankings
go,
are
then
gonna move
225.
here.
Okay, so we got almost like 4 minutes left over here.
So
now.
we'll see how the top
4
32
minutes
looks
left
at the end of today now.
to make it
40
or break it.
seconds. 40 seconds, and John Stewart isn't here
we
yet.
shall see.
I love
we will
watching this
know.
guy. Seriously.
For sure. All right.
All right. All right.
3 minutes left here. Three minutes left now.
Oh, 3 minutes. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. 3 minutes. Hold on. We'll put him back on in 2 minutes. He's getting fired up.
Overall, they are looking at almost the same numbers. They're looking at almost the same numbers. If they're looking at almost the same numbers, then this means price should continue to push bearish. if they're
Oh,
looking at the
let's
same
go.
numbers, because the same numbers mean good news for the
Holy.
USD. Look at this. 2 minutes left over here now. Same numbers core CPI. CPI, they're looking at a higher number. I want to go with... See,
My man's got that
10 loss.
music
I'll go with
pump.
sells.
You guys hear that in the background?
Sells. The bodies are getting smaller on the daily.
I
We
like
have
that.
rejection, so this daily candle should continue to push down. Looking on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour should
Fire.
go down realistically. Looking at the 30 minute.
You guys hear the
We
music
got
in
a
his
minute and a
background?
half left. I have opened sells. Stop loss I'm gonna put right over here. But my stop loss will get slipped anyway, so it doesn't matter where I put my stop loss, because it's gonna get slipped anyway. You know, like this.
Yeah, man. You're going to get slipped here, no doubt about it. Yeah, I got my position running here too. We are sitting 19 pips in profit on that position right now. John Stewart's here. Just in time for CPI. Good morning, John.
What's poppin'? Good morning, brother. Let's get busy.
Let's get down. Let's get down. All right, here
It's-
we go. CPI.
There's nothing.
Nothing.
We'll go with this. This is, listen, news is complete gambling. Complete gambling news. News.
All right,
is
let's watch Raja
complete
here.
Gambling.
Ooh.
The sentiment isn't over here.
Ooh. Ah, yeah.
Damn.
Yikes. What happened here with him?
You were in the cells,
now?
right?
Yeah. Account
Profits
gone.
Oh no, this went up.
Oh. Oh.
This went
Up.
Up.
Oh.
down.
Down.
Damn.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
Yo.
You guys were correct.
Oh.
Interesting.
15K. Damn, I'm
This was
glad I
good.
only lost $100.
So on the weekly, this made sense to go up.
Was Raja in cells
That guy
too?
was right. Who
Yeah.
was that guy over there?
Yeah.
Some guy. Some.
Holy.
That was wild.
All right, where'd our music go? Oh, there it is.
That was wild.
Good morning, John Stewart. How you doing,
Morning, bro.
man?
How you doing? Doing great. How
Fantastic.
you doing?
Amazing, you.
Nice. Feeling amazing, bro. Blessed and highly favored.
Incredible. Boom. All right. Still breaking the screen. Yeah, CPI, man. Very nice. Very nice here. 160 pip move. Daily candle firing off here. Look at that. No bottom wick either still.
Yeah, I seen that Asian in London juicing.
Yeah. Juice box.
Yeah, 4 hour
Sheesh.
celery too.
My screen got gone. Let's look at it like this. Oh, did you look at it?
You look at this.
15K? I know, I've seen that.
Oh damn, gold. Crazy. Crazy.
Weekly flip, weekly flip. Yeet. Going for a ride here. This is perfect. This is good. We'll find some positions once the 4-hour candle closes here. Look at this clean range coming up. Blow my account, Chala. So it's all good. We do a little blowing of the accounts.
10K plus profit. Wow, good stuff.
5% on my account.
Shout out to
W.
those eating.
Time to eat. I wonder if Joe took a buy.
Yo, word, bro. I know Joe is gonna go full margin on today. Joe, let me know, bro. Come on.
I did sells and I've got 0 on my account now. Damn.
Shit. Happens.
Yeah,
At least you
man.
gave it a shot, bro.
Way to give it a shot. Ain't
If
down.
it would have went the other way, bro. What?
Red numbers here. Red numbers. Yeah, I guess gold should move up now. $10K gone. That's alright. Just as quick as it goes, it can come right back.
That was a juicer, damn.
Dirty trick to go down, yeah. That usually happens with CPI. So I have this theory on CPI. It's worked for me a few times, but I haven't done it in a while now. I need this to go down more. Like, so whatever the original push goes, if that candle reflips, it's almost like guaranteed to hit the most freshest resistance, which in this case would be like this one here. And look how quick that got there. So we used to do that last year on the stream. But didn't really have the opportunity to do it this time. This wick, I like to go down a little lower and then catch it on the flip. Raj will make it back. Yeah, Raj will take a sell here and just make it all back. From $10 to $1,900. That's what's up, man. Amen. Time to give back. Let's go. Yeah, I wonder if Joe took it. I don't know. Is Joe here?
All right.
Joe in the chat? Joe's planning on trading CPI today. He might be in the bed though, like CPI, bro.
He might be. He didn't hit me back, so.
CPI, bro, not sleepy eye, bro.
Sleepy out of that.
TK. Oh yeah, let's look at this on the 1 minute. Shee. Gotta love that 1 minute, TK.
Good TK.
Oh, pushing. We still got plenty of range there on the 4 hour. I say up for liquidity and then down. Yeah, possibly. Fade on the 1 minute. How you doing?
Yeah. No one knows nothing.
I lost the counter in NFP. Didn't want to lose another. There you go. Beautiful, man. All right, I'll be right back.
Bet. Yo, chat, who took buys? Good stuff. I know some of you guys are going full margin today. Yeah, Pablo, we'll see. We'll see. Daily's coming up to target. Well, it actually did tap target now. It's pushing through target. See what's good. I want to see this 4-hour closure, though. I lost all my weddings savings. Damn. It's all good, bro. You don't need a wedding anyways. Those things are a scam. I'm not down in it. I'm not down in it. But yeah. Hey, but chat was good though. Was good. Hope you guys are doing good. Who caught those Asian and London buys? Those were nice. I seen price was just juicing through all those sessions. And on a serious note, y'all, just another daily reminder for me. Another day to follow our plan and be patient and disciplined to it. If we sow the seeds we want, we'll get the fruits we want. Just patiently waiting for his fruits of labor. That's it.
That's all we do.
Not only do you have to practice being patient on waiting for your setup, but you need to be patient with yourself and your own process, you know, on building up capital and becoming profitable. You know, you got to be patient with yourself and trust the process. Good.
Yeah,
Cheers, X.
I'm curious to see the leaderboard now.
Yeah, you have to peep it.
For the challenge. You can easily have a whole new 34, 32 top 32 after today.
100%.
That's what I'm saying. In this game, anyone is in. No one's ever out until it's done.
I can't believe how many people are in the trials. It's crazy.
Yeah, the leaderboard's up. You guys are getting emails from the leaderboard. With the leaderboard. So yeah, check your email. You'll have an email from top one. This was the leaderboard as of yesterday. So this was the top 32 as of yesterday. Yep, top 32. Oh no, Diego. Oh, I thought that was Diogo. Hey, we know there's a couple familiar names in here. Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen a couple.
Let's go. This is gonna be hard, man. This is gonna be hard. This ain't gonna be easy.
Definitely.
There's about 800 plus in this competition right now to fighting for a spot in the tournament.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck.
Oh, that's correct. I was 32nd. Now I am. Oh, nice. 32nd. No email. That's weird. All-time high incoming. Holy.
Chill.
You're at number 18? Oh, let's go. 18 out of 800 and probably
really
50
good.
or 60. You gotta be pretty damn good to be in the top 32, man.
Good stuff. Definitely, bro.
Oh, Dan, you're funny, bro.
So what, did you have a runner? You had it at B?
Yeah. Wait, which? No, I just had on one of the combines. I just had a position open there. I just left it open. It was $100, so I was willing to risk it all.
Yeah, gotcha.
Who else is in the top 32? Yeah, if you're in the top 32, let us know who you are. Challenge link, hit !comp. It's never too late. I think it's comp, right? Yeah, comp. It's never too late. Never too late to get in. You never know. The guy starting on Friday may get into the top 32. So it's not about how long you've been trading. Actually, the longer you're trading in this comp, the more you have a chance to mess it up, right? So All right, we're gonna come into the zone here now at 24.12. Let's see what happens at 24.12 there. Bro, what is that noise?
Noise. Is it coming from your place?
Fade? Not yet. I want to see 24.12 and how we begin to react here.
Get back.
Bro, legit sounds like somebody's
I
like
want
in
to
my
see how
wall.
that 4 hour focus. Are you serious?
TK, what are you in my wall, bro? Hold on, I'll be right back. We got rats now.
What are the gators ding dong ditching or something? Oh yeah. I gotta redo my charts. It's the Matrix. What's up, OGH? What's up, Dominic? They found him. Get the gun. What's up, Sam the man? Yeah, Lewis A. Yup. Good luck in the comp. Good luck. Yeah, I mean, I would just sign up too for that comp to get that 50% off on the top one account. I think that's a really good deal. That's a steal right there. Working on patience and waiting for an A-class setup. Let's go. Same here, HB Stein. Same here, bro. You know, my girl asked me, you know, how any wins, any losses today, and I'll always be like, either way, it doesn't matter. I don't care about winning or losing. I care about learning and growing, right? That's what I'm here to do and show up to do. Remember, y'all, making money is just a byproduct to you trading really good. So you gotta, I would, like, if you're focused on the money right now, that's not what you should be focused on. Taking really good trades and learning how can you take better trades and how can you improve, you know, as a trader, because that is what's going to make the money. Good, Dominic. Yeah, plans for the weekend? Not sure yet. Just gonna probably chill out, vibe out. We'll see. Maybe I'll have to do something. Maybe hit up a water park or something like that. I'm down 10% yesterday. What do I do? Right, you just come back and look for the next best trade, man. That's really all we can do. Right, we can't really control the outcomes of our trades, but we can control the trades we take, right? That's something we can control, right? So why, in anything in life, not just in trading, right? Why waste everyone has the same things, right? We all have time, energy, and attention, right? So what are you using your time, energy, and attention on? A lot of people use their time, energy, and attention on things they have zero control over, right? And then that yields them a negative RR, right? And if you use your time, energy, and attention on things you can control, you know, you can get a positive RR there. You know, you can yield yourself a reward, a positive reward. So remember that you have time, energy, and attention, and use that on things that you can control, not on things you can't. Am I in a trade now? No.
All right, a little further. So it is 8:45. The 15-minute candle closed. I may be down to take a shot here. So we got to pump up a little bit further, and then if we break the lows, then that may be a good opportunity.
Do you go lower risk or normal?
Lower risk. Stops are pretty massive here, but targets are as well. Let's see. All right, there may be an opportunity for a fade here, but I want to see us break those highs, and then we can have a sell, or then I'll have a sell stop.
You're thinking of the 4-hour pullback last 15 minutes.
Yeah, 4-hour pulling back, last 15, all that good stuff. Wow, we're way up here now. All right, let's see if we could break the high here. If we can, that'd be gnarly. Trading risk.
Yep,
GJ
trading
melting?
risk.
Oh, damn. The best RR? I don't think there is a best. I like anything over 1-to-1. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
1R is good.
Depends on your win percentage too and your strategy and system.
I don't think there's really any right or wrong there.
There's literally not.
All right, cool. Let's see if we could break that high. 50% off is I forget what it is. 50% off is right there, the highlighted one, TTE 50 off. So TTE 50 off. All right, dude, we didn't break that high. We didn't break that high yet. So I would like to see the high break before setting a sell stop. Got you, Dan. All right, perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here on the break of the lows. Gonna go small risk, about 1%, and that's gonna be potentially to retrace most of the move here, right? Most of that move coming down towards like 91. That's basically gonna be the vibe here for me. Yeah, perfect. All right, so I'm in. Stop's gonna be kept above the highs here. TP is gonna be back down here, and then you know, targets, I would say, let me fix this, partials. Let's see, is there any other area in which we should look for partials? What's this? Yeah, I like that. Okay, cool. So partials is going to be there. Break even. Let's see about break even here. All right, cool. So yeah, I'll probably go BE around, what is this? Wow, that's a 50 pip move right there. So around that 50 pip area, and then close partials, you know, down here at like 95.
Your stops are back in the range.
Yeah, my stops are above the highs. Very low risk here because the 4 hour is going to close too, and I would expect some sort of a pullback here over the next couple minutes. If not, that's fine. We can reset. I'm only risking 1%. 1% here. When will the market stabilize? We'll see. I think that when the 4 hour resets, that should be pretty good. So we need a 4 hour closure here. Yeah, 8 minutes left. Yeah, so we got 8 minutes left for the 4 hour. So if it's gonna pull back, it's gonna want to do that now. I thought you said full margin. Did I? Did I?
Hell yeah. Hey, what's good, Wags? Good morning, bro. Hope your birthday was great yesterday.
How you doing, Crow's crew? What's good? What's good?
How you doing?
Did someone say full margin? No. Full margin.
That's great, Wags. How was that steak, bro? Good?
That steak. I had some steaks last night too, man.
Yeah, how are they?
Fantastic. Nice
Lovely.
ribeyes. Nice ribeyes.
Fire.
TK's a New York strip guy.
I feel that.
After 8 months of trading, I'm done. All right, nonchalant. Yeah, man, it's all right. It's really not for everybody. It's really not.
Definitely not. Everyone has a different purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts. TK trading could get crazy.
Yeah,
Get wicked.
It could. You know, I would recommend to keep trying. You know, try your best. But if it's not working out, what are you gonna do? There's plenty of ways to make money.
Facts. There's like that one quote. There's a million ways to make $1 million. So you got plenty other options.
Yep. Yeah, you have to give yourself time to grow too, because it takes time to just even wrap your head around all this. Right? I would say it takes at least a good a good calendar year to really even understand what you're a part of.
And that's being ahead too.
Okay.
Like that's considered early. Like in 1 year, getting being consistently profitable in 1 year, that's really early.
Yeah, and if you don't have the capital, you can always, fund a small little account and just work on skill set. Just work on skill sets. That's it. Don't worry about making too much money right now. Just work on skill, And that way you won't be too upset, you know, if you blow an account or lose money, because you're just in the process of learning.
Definitely, bro.
So a lot of times we have to understand what seasons we're in. And sometimes we need, you know, we think we're in the earning season, but we're really in the learning season, and vice versa. So yeah, man, just stay at it. Don't put too much capital in. You could do it.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend just starting out, especially maybe the first year, even the second year on a small account. That's what I did. And until I understood the concepts, like that's when I started putting some real money in and seeing what I could do with it.
Yeah. Yeah, demo's fire too. You just do demo.
Yeah.
It's like remember that one what movie was that? I think it was Coach Carter, where they started playing they started practicing without the ball.
Yeah.
Right? They started practicing like without the ball and getting a feel for playing the game, you know, playing the game. So that's not a bad idea either.
Yeah. And even now, like I'm like 4 years into trade and I still consider myself learning, you know, and growing always, you know, so. And I don't even see myself exactly where I want to be. I still got a lot of progress as a trader, but yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, I'm learning. I'm learning every day. Every day.
Yeah.
So I don't think the learning ever really stops.
Yes. Yeah, facts, Stephen B. I love this job. I'll never quit, you know, and if this is your dream job, you know, stay committed, commit to yourself to learn it just as you would like go to school to learn college, right? Who cares how much, don't even count how much time it's taking you. Just let's learn this, right? Let's enjoy the process of learning how to trade and getting better every day.
Yep. Yeah, so we could poke our head up here on the pop of the new 4-hour candle. So we'll see where we go from there. My stops are sitting at 20. Well, this is not the right number here on well, not the exact same number, but my stops are up here for like 80 pips.
The 15 close there, that'd be nice.
Where can you learn from? Where can you learn from? Learn what? Trading? Learn trading? Alright, so we got a new 4-hour candle here. So the 4-hour candle opened up. We closed very, very, very strong bullish, right? So you may get a pop here on the open of the 4-hour candle. There's no bottom wick yet. I would expect to have some sort of a bottom wick here, and that may change things up a little bit. So since we didn't drive down on that last 15, we may just look to get this wick here, right? So this may turn into partials versus break even at this point and do something, you know, more so along those lines. Or you can leave it there, and if price does come down here, just stick to break even and then go back up. But don't be surprised if that's the 4-hour bottom wick and then price pushes up. Yeah, trading knowledge. Yeah, so you can learn. You could buy a course. You can hire a mentor. You can show up here to the live streams. I mean, there's so many ways to learn trading at this point. You know, it's everywhere, literally.
Yeah, I would say 3 relationships everyone needs to have is a mentor, a mentee, and someone, and like a student, or an equal. Sorry, I'm sorry, a mentor, mentee, and student, and an equal.
Yeah, you want to have people that are above you who you can learn from, people who are maybe catching up to you who you can help and teach, and then you want your inner circle to be kind of like right on your level.
Yeah, so you can feed off each other.
Love the music. Hey, you gotta find out what music that was on Raja's stream though. I need that. Is Raja still on? Is he? Playlist. Music's good. Music's good.
You can see a steep bottom wick on the 4 hour though with that steep 4 hour candle.
Yeah, nice steep bottom wick would be awesome.
Yep.
Guitar going ham right now. How did we find each other? We're brothers. We're brothers. Brothers.
Brothers.
I'm struggling to find
Yeah, I
people
went
to
home.
trade in my city. Yeah, it could be lonely.
Good. That's why we have online communities now. So yeah, I came out of the womb, went into this home, and then I see Nick. I'm like, what the hell?
Who are you? All right, we're sitting 26 pips in profit here. I'm gonna go break even on this trade. We're 26 pips up here, so gonna go break even and see if we can get this puppy to run. So no more risk. Let's play with some house money now, chat. If we can get this thing to run down, that would be fantastic.
Sweet, cool.
Why is GJ? I have no idea. I have no idea.
Oh, it's it's 7-Eleven today.
A 7-Eleven?
I'll get a free Slurpee at 7.
Ain't that?
Like that.
Oh man. Yeah, I want to be a little bit more aggressive on break even here, because this is this could be the 4 hour bottom wick, just kind of like yesterday. So that's why I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive here on BE and see, you know, don't want to push it here, because if we break those highs, it's probably going to go. Tell me when to go. Oh, almost. I guess I got a little bit of a better entry. Yeah, I might hit BE here. Don't do it to us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, I got hit BE. BE hit.
4 hour. Dude, damn.
Secured 25. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, we were. I think we were sitting like 25 there. Oh, 35.
The ranges are huge right now.
35. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah, the ranges are massive. All right. Glad we went risk-free at that point there. This still may drive. As long as you respect the highs here, you still will drive. I'm going to leave this open on my other account. Keep stops above there and see if we can get it to continue driving. But I did get tapped on BE here, so we'll see. Yeah, if you secured, nice job. You still in, John?
Yes, sir.
Nice. 7 pips. I got 7 pips in BE. Nice. Nice energy. Yeah, I didn't want to close anything. I wanted to continue holding that. So, but BE was a must there. Especially with that 4 hour. I was down 3% on my top one account, but now I'm up. You're at BE now? Let's go. Back to BE, baby. Look at GJ. We looked at GJ yesterday. I think that was enough. I think that was enough at GJ. Top 32, top 32.
Yeah, if you're in the top 32, that's really good.
That's
Crazy.
impressive.
Crazy good. Very impressive.
Let's see. Can we still get this thing to drive here? I still like this. I still like
You
this.
re-break those lows, bro. I do too.
I'm in the top 800. Yeah, I seen your name, Morpheus. I'm pretty sure I seen your name.
What's up, Morpheus?
You were in the top 800.
PM Magnifico, you're top 20.
Yeah,
Good
PM
stuff.
Magnifico I think was in there too. Top yeah, a couple of you guys were in the top 100 that I noticed from the stream.
Really good stuff, man. Good stuff. PM Magnifico. Good stuff too, Morpheus. What's up, man? I'm doing great. How you doing?
He's doing great.
Yeah, I need to re-break those lows, man.
You're number 19 currently? Wait, yo. Let's go.
Stuff, good
Trading
stuff.
like a stud. All right, what are we doing?
It's trolling.
What was the balance of the 100th? I can't tell you guys who's up what and what their account's at. I could just show you the leaderboard. That's it. Top win. What? Quick. What up, Aaron? Good morning, bro. Yeah, so next best thing here is just to wait on this this closure here. So 15-minute candle close. We did close bear. We did break the lows on the next 15. The next call here is just to see how the 30-minute candle is going to close here. Yeah, I hit break even on the shorts. So now I'm just going to wait on the 30 closure, and depending on where that closes, that's where we may have another shot here. Can we get the winner on the live stream and show us their technique? Maybe.
Of course. We need to ask for their strategy. How do you do it?
We're gonna switch whatever the top dude's doing. We're gonna switch everything, and we're gonna just do that. Where could I see the leaderboard? It's gonna come in an email. So they come in emails every day. Yeah, we'll update it daily. King Kong. Oh man, how's the weather up there today, John?
It's pretty chill. It's pretty similar to Florida, to be honest. Like hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're in the
Nice.
77 right now. Yep.
77. Sounds good.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir. What about you? How's the weather?
80. 80.
So not that much of a difference. It's pretty hot over here. It's pretty humid.
It's getting nice out. The rain is bringing some nice weather.
Nice. That's great.
All right, let's see. 15 highs are still being respected here. So we'll see. If you re-break that low, there's a very high chance you'll continue making your way down here for this pullback here. Top dude. That could be scary. Yeah, you never know. The top dude may not even have a strategy. He may just be winging it. Yeah, the 4 hour is trying to decide, is this going to be my bottom wick or not?
Yeah, seriously.
Yo, what up, Lights Fire? Good morning, man. Good morning, Nikki. Hey, thanks for the dono at the end of the stream. I seen that. I seen it pop in. Shout out to Nikki for the late dono at the buzzer.
Let's get it.
The buzzer. She hit a buzzer beater. I was just about to hit point, end stream. She said, but first, let me hit a dono.
Morning,
Stop
Andrew.
loss.
What's up, bro?
What's stop loss?
I don't trade with a stop loss, bro. No, I'm kidding. Don't worry about it.
Come to Nigeria. Oh, you have an inheritance to share with me. Wow. I feel special.
Squeeze me?
Can you tell us what the top 32 is, like percentage-wise? Maybe. I don't know it off the top of my head, so I'd have to look. All right, 15-minute candle closed. It's 9:15 now, so we should have pretty good volume. This, you know, if we make a top wick and continue to respect the highs here, we should have a move down. If you end up creating, this is a big 15 closure here, because if we can do that, that'd be great. But if you do end up closing bullish, then there is a high chance that 930 will run us up here. So we just want to see how this top wick's going to form, if it's going to be a top wick to drive down, or if we're going to end up creating a new support here now. That is the question. One question, suppose after 50-60 planned trades with X percentage accuracy, you were about to increase lot size, but then you get back-to-back stop losses. Yeah, it happens every time. For some reason, the market always knows when we're increasing our lot sizes and we're going heavier. And I don't know, almost every time I increase my size, like I take a loss. So it's natural. I would just stay there. I wouldn't lower it, because now you took 2 losses at that number. So I would just stay at that risk and now begin to just play the game at that level. Yeah, keep playing the game at that level. You don't want to start playing it at a new level now, and now you're trying to, you know, you're scaling back down or sizing back down, and now you're, you know, trying to, now you need 5 or 6 wins to get the bigger loss back. So I would just recommend staying right at that level there.
And then maybe when you hit a new level, you know, and you get your account to a certain amount, maybe then you can you know, maybe up your size, and percentage wise it will remain the same, you know, but the dollar will be bigger of what you're risking.
Yeah. Yep. Dun, dun, dun. Listen to Nightbot.
Yeah, Billy, I'm still in the stuff.
Yeah, I'm still into on this other account.
Whatever happens, happens. It's out of my control at this point. It's in probability's hands. Trying to break those lows.
How come I didn't receive the email? I don't know. I don't know. Everyone else did. Look at GJ? Alright, we'll look at GJ. Let's go ahead. Now, when you tell me look at GJ, I hope you give me a follow-up question with that, because now I'm looking at GJ. So I'm looking at it. What to do from here? I'm looking at it.
Would you look at it?
Harsh.
Let's look at it.
Let's look at it, bro.
You look at this.
That's all. Just look at it. All right. It was a great look. Beautiful. Very nice. So incredible. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful GJ. Oh, no. All right. We looked at it. Well, it was GU first. Would you look at it?
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it, man. You can look.
Yeah,
but
we was
don't
trying to
touch
break those lows.
it. Don't touch it. Don't. This can easily be a new support for trying to form here too.
Yeah.
GJ or GU? I think we looked at both, right? Yo, who caught those buys earlier? That was insane. We like to troll?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling. We like to troll. We do a little trolling.
Times
It's
two.
called we do a little trolling.
GJ. I'll be right back. BRB, John. John's muted. All right, you good, John? All right, big 30 closure coming. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Can we have buy stops? Sure, why not? 4 hour looks like it's may get ready to roll here. 1 hour is looking good. The only thing is you're coming up towards a little bit of a resistance now. Right here, this whole area you're coming into at 412. Let's see what that looks like on the 30 here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on the 30 closure here. It's gonna be it's gonna happen in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So I think gold will drop to 23.44. Could. Why 23.44? Right now, it doesn't look like we want to drop anywhere. Yeah. Excuse me. If you look at the daily smoked all these highs here. The weekly is pushing up, so I wouldn't say that I would plan on seeing this hit 44 anytime soon. Right, monthly's juicing up here, just broke monthly highs. So yeah, I don't think so. But you never know. You never know. Wouldn't it be smarter to give plays buy stop, sell stop? Oh yeah, you could do that too. Some people do that. John, are you not like unmuted? My bad. Do we have an update on the ranking? I don't think so. Not yet. We'll post them once a day. Unless it's in top one channel. No, I don't see it. We'll put the rankings here too. In the top one channel. So that way you guys can see them. Alright, here we go. 3 minutes for 9:30 here. Yeah, we'll do the leaderboard will be up once a day, I would say. It'll be tough to kind of update y'all on every... Alright, we've switched. The number 3 seed is now the number 1 seed, and the number 1 seed is the number 5 seed. It's going to be very difficult to do that. Predetermined risk lights fire, that's right. Live dashboard. 45. 7 plate, 8 plate, 8 plate, 9 plates, 9 plates. My account's bye-bye. Yo. Why are you guys risking so much? Someone said earlier you guys are gonna get slapped trying to like call a top or something. It's like, dude, I'm never gonna get slapped because I'm only risking 1%. Right, so nothing will ever slap me because I'm a smart investor. But those that are risking heavy will get slapped, right? And it's not that we're calling the top either. We are executing on the fade. The fade fades. But today, they may want to fade up. This was the fade. Yeah, don't risk your whole account on these trades, gang. Like, you guys heard me. I was like, I'm risking 1% on this. One stick. One stick out of 100. Right? Just imagine you got 100 sticks. If you lose one of them, it's truly not a big deal. Oh, thanks for the signal, Mariam. Thank you, thank you. You should charge for those signals, man. The fade wanted to shine. Yeah, the fade wanted to move up just a little bit more, right? That's why stops are sitting above here. All right. You gotta leave room for that to you know, to cover for if you're early, right? Because you're gonna be early. I promise you, we're gonna be early, multiple times between forever, right? But definitely between now and I would say next year, there's gonna be times where we're early. That's why we use a little bit of a bigger stop and you know, go about it like that so we can dial this in. What are we gonna do? 21 seconds for this candle to close here. Maybe interested in giving this another shot on this account. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, make it the same entry. Yeah, let's see what happens here. So let's see if we can run back up towards 24.12, and if we can, then that's what I'm gonna have I'm gonna give this a second chance here. We got high volume coming in. High volume. I like 6% target. Yeah, 6% target's cool, man. Super dope. How could I connect the account to Match Trader? You have to, you should have the platform in your email. So once you get your credentials, you should have that in your email, and then yeah, it should be good to go. Buy or sell? Both. Buy to the wick fill and then sell on the break of the low. Which company has 6% targets? I think all the futures companies. All right, we're going to move here, chat. It's just what direction are we going to go in? It'd be lovely to pop up, break the high, fail to break the, or fill the wick, and then come back down. Hindi, you going to get sniped? And then next thing you know, I see him get sniped. Damn. What'd you say, Hindi? Oh, buy or sell? Come on, man. Yeah, we may push down here. We start breaking those lows. This thing's a goner. Let me see something here. Yeah, I would have really liked the entry up top here. Yeah, you start breaking through these lows, you should get a nice move. So I'm going to give this a second chance here. And if we break that low, we should be golden. Same thing, a little bit over 1% light risk. Light risk. Gotta break that low. Where'd chat go? Where y'all at? Where you at, chat? John, are you still muted, dude? Sorry, man. My man can't get unmuted. I tried unmuting you. I'm selling US30, just quaking over here. Let's take a look at the Dow here. Okay. Start pushing down, man. US30 might get rolling. Looks pretty good if you break that low, bro. Eyes glued. Finger watching. How many of you guys are in your trade watching your P&L right now? haven't blinked in the last 5 minutes since 9:30 candle opened. Already touched 212. Yeah, 212 is kind of like the target I'm looking at here, so figuring that we already tapped that target, we could still move up, right? Always keep in mind the fade is you're going against these higher time frames. Keep that in mind, right? So that's where the risk and the size and all that comes in. Make sure you're you're not over risking here. We're having trouble. We are having a little bit of trouble here at 12, so that's kind of what we want to see. We want to see the reaction to 2412. I've been watching. Have not blinked since 8:30. Stops will be above the highs here. If you haven't gone break even on our original trade, then you should be just about break even now, like maybe in profit, right? I will do the dishes and then come back. There you go. There you go. My stops on this is going to be basically the same exact trade as the last one. So stops will be kept up here. Expecting price to move us down back towards like 85-ish. Only if we break the lows though, right? If we respect that low, then this thing may just juice all the way up. So we want to see if we can break the previous 30-minute lows.
All right, I'm back.
He's back. He's back, baby.
Back, boy. I'm back.
Back like he never left. Billy O'Neill, yeah, still holding. Yep. That's what we doing. That's what we doing.
Oh, Billy, you're still in? Nice.
Where's Rafi? Somewhere in the great land of Bali. Where's Sam? Somewhere in the great state of Pennsylvania. Who else? Where's Joe? Somewhere at a local crumble cookie. No, I'm just kidding. Joe hasn't had crumble in a hot minute, man.
That was chilling.
Shout out to Joey Stu. Up like 5% on his account. Hasn't had crumble. How you doing? I've been training him every day. Where's Jesus? Right here. Right in your heart, my friend. And if he's not in it, he's knocking at the door of it. He's not here. He's not here. What a blessing. That's what they said when they went to the tomb. They said, where is he? Keep him coming. Keep him coming. I'll be right back. Yeah. Give me 1 sec, chat. I'll be right back.
Just trolling. We do a little trolling. Yeah, facts, Felicia. We got nothing to worry about, right? We cast all our worries onto God. So if we do that, then what do we have to worry about? Nothing, right? Because God has us. He has a great plan for us. Thank you, Amir. God bless you too, bro. It's good, Green. It's good, bro. Wow. So just may want to bleed now after taking me out. Crazy. Crazy. Just wearing in my favor there. No, I'm not taking the sell. Nick should be activated though. See, Melly, I'm coming back to Florida like August. I mean, more like September. That's the push I was looking for. On my original sell, but I guess I was too early.
All right. Look at this. Running now. Running. I think I'm going to close this position here on my futures account. And going to move stops to BE on this trade right here. Yeah, let's see if we can get this 930 candle to run down. This is the move we were looking for here. Yeah, so closed that original position there at, wow, that was 90 pips, Billy? Damn. I did not realize that. Yeah, I'm going to put a partial TP sitting right here too. Limit by... Yeah, because we're running into that area there. So I'm going to put a partial TP there. If we break that low one more time, it should get hit. Can you instantly take partials? Do you guys know that? Like instant, like, you know, I used to do it with magic keys. Yeah, so stops never got hit on that original position. I moved to break even on this account, but I held the stops on the other one. So that worked out, and then this one's doing pretty good here too. This one we got about 60, 65 pips. Market execution against a trade. Gotcha. Good to know. I'll use it next time. When you click close, okay, cool. Partially. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll use that for next time. Thanks for scan. Thanks for ski. Yeah, you're all welcome. You're all welcomed. Great scam here today. Who said we gonna get slapped? We don't never get slapped, man. Man say y'all gonna get slapped. Don't ever disrespect the TTE community like that. Tell them, chat. We know a little something. We know a little something. All right, can we hit partials? We'll see. We're right there. Let's see. God bless you and your family. Thank you, man. Thank you. What's the coupon code? The coupon code is TT50, I think. Closed full. Nice job. Yeah, I closed full on my Top Step account. That was a great position on that account, and I'm still holding this one here. Stops are at break even though. If we could break that low just one time here, I can close some partials. But we're struggling. We're struggling. Yeah, I'm gonna close my full position right here. So I'm going to close full there at 53 pips. 53 pips. Good trade, chat. Good trade. W. W. Yeah, I don't know why we're struggling there, but we're struggling. We're coming into that zone here, right? If you look left, I think it was on the 15-minute time frame? Where was it? Yeah, we're coming into the zone here. We could still push for sure. I think we will push because we got a lot of clean range still left to go. But I'm out. I'm out. Good trade, everyone.
Sir, good trade, good trade. I think I'm about to hop off the desk though now and go start my day.
All right, cool, man.
So I'll give you a call later.
Okay, sounds good, brother.
I bet.
I'll see you later.
All right, peace, chat. Hope you guys have a great day.
Peace. Later, dude. Later, Gator. Price got to refill up. Yeah. All right, let's mark that trade up. So first trade was taken when? First trade was taken at 8:45, right? 8:45 a.m. We got 7-11, 24 gold sells. That was a fade, right? The first entry. Can't remember. Remind me, chat. Was that a fade or an onion? Oh damn! I forgot about you guys over here. Yeah, man. W's. Yeah, I secured my trade right there. So we'll see if we can make our way down there. But there's no wick, no top wick on the 15. So I'm out of this trade now. It was a lovely trade. That was an onion or a fade? I can't remember. Maybe I have to rewind the stream here. Fade. First one was a fade. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. First one. Actually, they were both fades. Because this was a 30-minute fade, right? Off the break of the low there. Yeah, let's that was half. Let me go. Yo, that was beauty, man. That was a beauty. Wow, that was 95. Who was it? Billy O'Neill, right? No, that was like 90 pips we got there, bro. Good stuff. Hi, Buggy. Hello. No wonder why all the volume's here. It's too bright in here, Lele. Maverick. These guys come running here like this. Their eyes. You guys just woke up. Yeah, I think we got 90 there. And that was about that one was on my Top Step account, and that was like 1.5%, I believe. Word. Lele, how you doing this? Right. And then we took this one. I'm not going to mark up the BE. I'm just going to leave it how it is, unless you guys really want me to mark up the BE. I don't want to be a scammer. And then this one was 930. 930 cheat code. Maverick, how you doing, buddy? You ready to have a great day? Yeah? Say hi to everyone. This one was previous low. I don't think we've done the fade too much on the previous low, but that one was on the previous low there. 30-minute time frame. Wow, W management here. Okay, Maverick, go ahead, go on. Yeah, W partials. Let's see. All right, great stuff, chat. Great stuff. What else? What else can we do here today? Wow, beautiful B, man. Congratulations, W management on that one. Sheesh, to the T. Yeah, this was a problem here. Very strong zone. Nobody knows nothing. Hero of the day is in the house. Let's get hero of the day. All right, now we may have a 4-hour bottom wick. Yes, now I like that. Hero of the day. This is the most difficult part. When I say, all right, guys, see you later. Awesome stream. Amazing job. You guys killed it. Then you guys stick around. And you try and trade. The channel's called Time to Eat, not Time to Trade. Remember, almost everyone can make profits in the market, but very few can keep them. Keep this in mind, chat. Keep this in mind. Yeah, it was a very strong zone. Yup, that was your 930 push. We knew volume was coming in. Entry was on the break of the lows. I really wanted to see if we can get them on the break of the current candle, but remember that low came like all the way down towards like right here. So at that point there was really no point in taking it there. Just wait for the break of the previous low. But yeah, really good job. Ranges are huge right now. That is true. Yes, this is true. Can I go through how to make a partial zone? Yeah, so normally normally you're gonna have some price action, towards the left that's pretty visible, right? Where you're gonna see all sorts of stuff like this. Like you see how many taps? You see how many taps has been this has, right? You gotta tap, you gotta tap, you gotta tap. So this becomes a very strong zone, and that's how I like to use it. I like to find that like average point. Like I think they call it like a happy medium. I like to find that, and then that's the area in which I want to go break even, or that's the area in which I want to use as an advantage point or a partial TP or a break even or whatever. I just want to find a zone in which I can make a decision. Whether that decision be secure profits or not, that's completely irrelevant. Just the idea of the decision making area is what I think you want to learn here. Yeah. Yeah, if you got yeah, that's true, Billy. Are we on? We're almost at 40k subs here, chat. If you guys are not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Remember, winners win, right? You want to be around a group of winners. I always want to associate with winners, and if you're like me, then you're gonna be very happy with coming to this live stream on a day-to-day. Yep. Be water, my friend. That's right. So look, everyone who didn't, and don't take this the wrong way, chat, please. Everyone who didn't want to go break even suffered a loss today. And by the looks of it, it seemed like people were betting pretty heavy, right? Because I had seen a few people lost their accounts. So by going break even, remember the game of trading, first things first is that you have to preserve your capital. Your capital is your capital, right? It's your baby. You need to take care of that capital. So for those that didn't want to go BE because of whatever reason, you know, most likely you suffered a loss. And if you did and it was a big loss, now you see how most of them, some people left, right? And they weren't able to participate in the next best move. So continue to keep in mind, you want to trade for tomorrow. You want to trade for, you want to live to trade again, right? That's really what you want to do. So that's why you'll never, someone mentioned you'll get slapped in the markets. You will never get slapped in the markets if your risk is where it needs to be, right? So if you lost your account off of that last trade, you were risking way too much on that account or on that trade. So keep this in mind, because you want to trade for tomorrow. You don't want to have to sit on the sidelines and sit on the bench and have to come up with another X amount of dollars and put yourself through that cycle over and over again. Just stop the bleeding now and really, really start to listen to, you know, the things that we share here, right? We share these things for a reason. I don't just talk to, you know, waste breath. SG80, let's go, man. Proud of you, bro. Exactly. See, Michael Cook. So he says, I didn't go BE. And by the way, neither did I on my other account, because I was risking very low. You know, but if you're risking super high, which, you know, I just don't see the point. Every time I did that, I ended up blowing my accounts. When you're risking super high, you don't want to cut that trade. You know, you want to win that trade because you got all this risk, and then you don't, and now you're stuck. And if you're just risking 1 to 2%, you're chilling. You're chilling. Nothing can knock you down. No trade can make you. No trade could break you. Of course, Chala. Of course, brother. Am I looking for another one and another one and another one, and I got like 100 of them? Yeah, maybe. I think there should be some more moves here. So I think we'll get a little bit more volume coming in a little bit later. I think we need to settle down here now. Yeah. Went from 102 to 95 to 100 again. Let's go. Neo. I'm actually pretty pumped about my Top Step account here. Man, that was I think that was like a $1,200 win. Hey, Dropout Trader, we'll be praying for you, brother. All good, man. Just stay consistent. Stay consistent with, you know, don't grow weary in well-doing. The dream, right? When you're chasing your dream, there's a lot of pressure. And that pressure is going to build up at times. Notice how he said it's been a stressful week for me, and life is also kind of messed up, right? Whenever you see some messed up stuff going on in your physical realm, be prepared there, because there's a victory about to happen in the spiritual realm, but it won't happen unless you're prepared for it. So understand that on your way to success, you will be met with opposition, adversity, and struggle. You will not get around it. But if you're prepared for it, you can turn the tables and you can use it to create victory in the spiritual realm, and that will obviously yield to a big reward in the physical realm, just not immediately. So keep that in mind, brother, and I hope you have a great day. I haven't looked for a trade because no confirmations. Perfect. Perfect. You're welcome, Dropout Trader. You're the man, bro. You're the man. It's only a matter of time before you shine, bro. Only a matter of time. All right, anything else here today, chat? Anything else? I've enjoyed my time here together with y'all. I think it was well invested. I think we talked about a lot of great things. I think we took some good trades, had some great ideas. You just mentioned that you used to risk too much. What percentage would you say is too much? 3%. If you're on a funded account, anything over 3% gets a little hefty. Bro, my problem is I only take a few trades a month. How can I improve that? Take more trades. Take more trades. Be prepared for opportunities, right? I'm very prepared, right? That's one thing I am. I'm very prepared. If there's a word I could use, it could be prepared, because I'm very prepared for when the opportunities come. I've trained my mind. I've trained my eyes to recognize pattern. I tell some people this: pattern recognition is a sign of genius. So I've been preparing myself for 4 years, and that's why it looks a little flawless up here. But trust me, there's a lot of work that goes into the back end of all this. But if you notice here, in January, wasn't really taking many trades. February wasn't really taking many trades. A lot of losing trades in February. March wasn't really taking too many trades, but somewhere along the line, I turned it up, right? April started getting bigger. May started getting more trades. June, we went off. And I realized that in these early months, coming back off of last year, having a great year, I was trying to play it safe. I was trying to win trades. I don't know why I got back into that. Look what happens when you try and win trades. Let me show you. Look at this. This is what happens when you try and win every trade. Right? Because you're trying to find perfection. I was trying to find certainty, right? So I would stay out of trades. I would let one little thing on the left-hand side say, yeah, you know what, I'm not going to take this trade. But then I realized that the playbook needs fuel, right? The playbook needs, and that fuel is execution. So execution at the end of the day is our edge. When we're running this playbook that clearly has a high win rate, why are we trying to get in the way? Right? So this month I was trying to get in the way of my playbook. This month I was just letting it go, letting it flow, right? Letting it flow. Still this month, just letting things flow. I truly do not care if I win or lose my trades, right? My risk is good. I know I'm not going to blow my family's financial well-being off of one trade. I don't care if it's a winner or loser. I only care if I'm following the system, and we get paid to execute, man. We get paid to execute. The fade's still tricky to predict. Yep, it should be. It should be. If I hear you guys say, "Hey man, I got the fade down perfect. I know it like the back of my hand," I'd be trying to take notes from you. Right? It's a new setup. It shouldn't make total sense to you yet. It takes time. It takes time. Amen. Amen. Learn to be patient and have less anxiety. That's beautiful. What's the difference between the flip entry and the break of the current low? So with the flip, sometimes what's going to happen is you're going to make a top wick here and you'll flip, but you won't break that low there, right? So you just hang around here and then just end up turning back. So the idea of the break of the low means that we're breaking a low, right? So if we're breaking a low, we should come down and make a new low. So that's the idea. You want to wait for that opportunity to take the sell stop on the break of the low versus the flip, because the flip doesn't mean squat, right? The flip doesn't mean anything. The flip just means we're flipping. But once you break the low that's been established, now we can create a new low, right? What happens when in a trending market, you make a low, lower high, and as you break the low, you'll go down and make a new low, right? Break the high, break the low. Same thing here. Same thing with candlesticks. You make a low, right? Come up, make a high, break the low, make a high, break the low. So same thing. When will the leaderboard be up? It'll be up at some point today. We'll put it in the Discord. Later, Xander. Later, bro. Difference between futures prop firms and forex prop firms. Yeah, monthly fees, targets, few things. Yeah, don't try and play it safe. You know, that's why you hear me say, hey, chat, I don't care. If we win or lose, it doesn't matter to me. So if it doesn't matter to me, but it matters a lot to you, that's not good. Right? That's not good. So you want to say, why doesn't it matter to him? Why? And I'll tell you why. Because I'm not risking too much. I'm not over risking. And I'm only taking trades that I have data on, right? That data, we have really good data on that play, right? So, and guess what? I'm still only going half risk. Still only going half risk there. Good questions. Good questions. Do we have more good questions? Tomorrow's the last day of the competition? No, Monday's going to be the last day. You're welcome, Nick. You're welcome. Later purpose. Have a great day. Was up 3% on my master account. Almost lost all the profit. Now I'm at 2%. My risk management is fine, but over trading is a negative. Yes, it is. Yeah, it is. Stop trading for the day, Raul. No more trades today for you, man. You wanna, and people think I'm funny for saying this, but you wanna live in that victory every day, right? It's the worst when you go up. Let's just call it $1,000 for the heck of it. When you go up a G, man, you're feeling swell, bro. Feeling swell, but then you take a stupid trade, right? And then go back to zero. That's so lame, right? And then you try and get that back. And now you go negative 1,000, right? And that's even lamer. And then you try and revenge, you know what I mean? And you start going negative. Meanwhile, you could have just walked around with that great feeling all day long that you know how to pull money from the markets. Remember, a lot of people can get the money, but most of them give it right back. Don't let that be you. Walk in victory. You know, you can take those really good trades and then call it a day. You don't have to keep trading. I understand it was easy to make that 1,000, right? And that's the problem, is it's so easy to make the 1,000 that y'all go in for more, even when high probability setups aren't there. So, you know, take it for what it's worth. The more you trade, the more the house has to win, right? The more you play at the casino, the more chances the house has to take your money. That's why they keep inviting you back. That's why they'll pay for your hotels. They'll bring you nice food and drinks, because they know if you play long enough, they're going to get all the money. And that's the way the market is. Cool. We good? What do you want to do? Any other questions? Take it personal. There you go. Hey, Billy said it, not me. I'm down to hang out. I'm down to help y'all if you guys got more questions. I do want to go take a nice walk, but I believe that helping y'all is more important than that. Might go later, brother. What do I have for breakfast today? The bread of life, my friend. Same breakfast every day. How do you join the Discord? Just hit !Discord and you'll be good. Can we do a fresh analysis? Yeah, we'll do a fresh analysis before we go. Is there still a way to join the competition? Yes, just hit !Comp in the chat and the link will pop up. How does Top Step work? Like challenge we have to pass like usual or anything different? Yeah, pretty much the same thing. You gotta, it's a one-step challenge. It's like 6%. I think they give you, if it's 150K, you get about $4,500 worth of drawdown to make something happen with. So if you guys are purchasing challenges, no matter what, and we had this big long conversation a while back about funding companies, understand that forget the 300K and the 150K or whatever the big thing is that you're all excited about. When you purchase a funded account, just understand you're purchasing drawdown. That's it. Don't worry about the 100K, the 300, those are marketing tactics, right? You're purchasing the max drawdown, right? So whatever that is, if that's in this case $4,500, or let's say with top one it's $5,000, that's what you're getting. You're buying drawdown to make something happen out of it. So keep that in mind when you are trading on these firms. Let's see here. Can you explain which scenarios the fade setups don't work? Typically, if it doesn't tap target yet, it could be a little early. So you see how we were a little early here? It didn't tap that target yet. I was prepared for that though, right? Because I have my stop sitting up here. But notice how once we tap target, that's when we faded off. So sometimes you could be a little early just because the target hasn't officially been tapped yet. And that's a scenario in which I've seen that we'll be a little early on and something to look out for in the future. Let's see. It's pretty hard, especially in the moment after realizing the mistake is made. Yeah, it is. It's hard. You know, success is hard, gang. It's gonna be hard to win, but it's possible. Choose your hard, right? It's hard to work for that 9 to 5 too. Hard to work for that stinky, mean boss. Top one discounts goated. Hey, what up? I ain't Felix. With your experience, do you think it's better to take the trade on the break of the low or the wick low? Yeah, the break of the current low. So real quick demonstration. If the previous candle looks like this, current candle looks like this, and it's about to flip, I want to take it on the current low, right? Because I want to be involved for that wick fill. But let's just say that this wick here is not as steep as it is, as you see it now, down to here. And let's just say that that wick is right here. Then I'm just going to use that previous low now as my entry. It's just a better entry, better confirmation. Usually just a couple pips away, and yeah. What else? How to implement in my brain, stop being so greedy, so many BE because wanting too much more. Just play the charts in front of you. Forget about the money, forget about the pips, forget about it all. Just pretend this is a video game. Play the chart in front of you. I don't care how much money I was up, how much money I wasn't up. Once we get to that point, I wanted to go break even, close partials, and that's what we did. So just follow your plan, your system every day, and greed shouldn't even be involved in that because you shouldn't even be looking at money or anything like that. All right, a few more questions and then we'll wrap it up. We'll do a few more questions and we'll do a top-down analysis and then we'll get going. I'm back. What I missed? Louis G. Yeah, we'll fill you. Yeah. I don't think you missed much. After qualifying for the top 32, what will happen on the comp account? Still usable, or top one will give a new account? You can still use it, but it's not like you can actually get funded on it or anything. You can use that as like a demo though. Alright, I think we're good here. Yeah, Mike Tyson, yep. Okay, I think we're good. Great questions. Let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis, and then I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. So Let's take a look. The daily is still pumping here, so we still got room on the daily. We created support a couple days ago as we could not break through those wicks. Right now you're pushing up. I mean, those are your targets, right? If we close above here, now the question for today is we don't know if the daily wants to pull back and get a closure above the range here, or if we want to tap target today. So that's where we got to go to the lower time frame. But just keep in mind that's what's going on here today. The 4 hour is now flipping. So we've established that bottom wick here. The 4 hour has plenty of room to drive. Actually, I'm sorry. We're tapping into that zone. Yeah, 12. So we are tapping into 12 there. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the lower time frames. Do we have a resistance? We don't have a resistance yet. I would wait for buys above 12 and then sells below 99 there. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that range. Let me just take a look to the left here above 12. Yeah, to be honest, I probably wouldn't take any more buys today. Yeah, it gets rough. It gets rough at 12 there. Yeah, I would look for closures below and look to take potential sells coming back down now. But you might want to wait for range 2. So you may want to wait for a range 2 sell below 99 here because you don't want to get faked out. So that's what I'll look for the remainder of the day. I'll look for range 2 sells below 23.99 and then potential fake outs for buys, right? So potential fake outs. So if you do get the closure, I'm not going to jump on that sell right there because being that we're bullish on the higher time frames, you may fake out back into the range today. Right, and then we may just kind of trickle around in here. So if I am going to take a sell, I'm going to wait for some sort of a break and then a retest. So I won't take this original sell, right? I'll just wait for price to come back up. And then if it does come back up and it remains below and we get a resistance, that's when I'll look to start looking at sells again. All right, and then maybe take a sell coming down, tapping back into 80. So that's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm probably not going to take another trade today because I've already taken like 3. But that's the vibe here on the way out. Yeah, keep 99 there in mind. Cool. I think we good, right? Yeah, I think we're good. All right, chat. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Mods, thank you guys for all you do here, man. Everybody else, great job today. Way to stay composed. Way to stay calm here at the desk. And walk away with some wins here, right? We made some money today, so that's the important thing, is that we made some money and we glorified the Lord by doing it, right? So appreciate y'all coming by. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Keep in mind, the more you play, the more that casino can take that bread. So keep that in mind. Wait for A+ setups for the remainder of the day, and I will see y'all tomorrow, man. Love y'all. Yanosh is in the house. Z Gamer is in the house. Green's in the house. C Melly's in the house. Got a trade. They're out of here. All right, chat. I'm out of here. I hope y'all have a blessed one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Oh, we got a... Oh, hold on. Hold on. What do you guys want to hear on the way out? What do you want to hear? I think we glory the Father on the way out. Love y'all, man. Be great. Jesus loves you. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
When I wanna shake with a word, times and times I've been down in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Cherry destruction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the Lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.